Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings, then tap Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode. This verifies you so Apple allows changes. Once done, you'll see Enrolled Faces listed. Make sure to note which face entries are active by their names or order, because removing one will affect authentication. You're acting now, so don't navigate away. If iOS prompts for an update or restart, pause and complete that first to avoid unexpected behavior when modifying Face ID entries. You remove the first Face ID by tapping its entry and choosing Remove Face, then Confirm. This deletes the biometric pattern from the secure enclave. Once removed, make sure to test unlocking with your passcode to confirm the device functions. Next, locate any additional face entries and repeat the same removal steps. Deleting one does not automatically remove the other. If an entry won't delete, make sure you're using the device owner passcode and that screen time restrictions are disabled. Because you finish by restarting the iPhone to ensure the system clears any cached biometric tokens and then test unlocking with your passcode. Check Apple Pay and any secure apps that used Face ID. Once confirmed, consider setting up a new Face ID later if needed. If removal fails, try disabling screen time restrictions, update iOS, and retry removal. Sometimes a software bug blocks changes. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store so they can inspect secure enclave status and device settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.